Hi, my name is Pam Carswell, and I'm the teen librarian here at Minot Public. Today we are going to talk about snap circuits. Why do we care about snap circuits and what do they do? Well, snap circuits are basically a broken down electrical components. So you have the connectors that act as wires, you have resistors, you have inputs, and you have outputs. So let's get started, shall we? Inside our snap circuits kits, you're going to find a lot of different stuff. First of all, you've got your booklets here, and these are going to help you build your projects. Second thing you've got is a pegboard. Now, this pegboard comes in really handy because it will hold all of your components safely and securely while you are working. And then inside of here, you have a lot of different things. To begin with, everything starts with power. So find the batteries. You got to have a power source. And everything clips on. Your pegboard is going to hold your batteries right on here. You'll notice that they stick up just a little bit off of the board, and that's fine, but they hold things on there so that you can work. Then we have all kinds of different tools inside of here. And if you should ever get confused, there is a map right up here so that you've got a better idea of what things are. And if you're not quite sure about what part you need, check over here with the letter and the number, and then just look at the parts. So the U4, and that's your amplifier. So that's going to make your noises louder. All right, so I've got my power base here. I have my light that I'm going to make, so this is going to be an on and off switch for a light, and then I've got my switch. Today we're using the S1, so it's going to flip back and forth. There are lots of other switches though, so you can play around and learn a little bit more. I'm going to use these connectors to connect my switch to my power, and then I'm going to give it a go. Look, I've made a light switch. Well, light switches are good, and certainly better to have some control on it here, but I think it's time for another project. Alright, so I'm going to show you why it's a little easier to use this on the board, okay? So I've got this all snapped together, and this is a DC motor, and just a plain little switch, the S1, so I'm just going to do this. Ta-da! We've got this moving, but look, it's squiggly, not really the safest thing, and look what can happen. Oh no, my fan just went crazy. So that's why we're going to want to use the board. And the other thing with the board too is it's going to make sure that you have things snapped in the right spots. It's pretty easy with this stuff to get a little confused on which way you want things to go, and this will kind of keep you going straight. So, all right, so I've got my DC motor hooked in. I'm going to pop my fan back on. All right, and let's give her a whirl. Perfect. All right, well, I hope you'll think about checking out the snap circuits and see all the different machines that you can build. This has been one of my very favorite things, and come check us out at Minot Public Library.